Did you know a single sphere of metal killed two brilliant scientists and earned the nickname Demon Core? In 1945, the Manhattan Project created a 6-kilogram plutonium sphere. It looked harmless. It was anything but. Harry Daghlian was working late one night when disaster struck. A tungsten brick slipped from his hands and crashed onto the core. The room erupted in deadly radiation. Daghlian frantically knocked the brick away, but it was too late. He had absorbed a lethal dose. 25 days later, he was dead. 1 year later, the same core claimed another victim. Louis Slotin was demonstrating it to colleagues when his screwdriver slipped by just a fraction of an inch. The core went critical instantly. Blue light flooded the room as radiation poured out like an invisible tsunami. Slotin threw himself forward, separating the materials with his bare hands. He saved his colleagues, but doomed himself. 9 days later, he died in agony. The cursed sphere had claimed two of America's brightest minds. They finally destroyed it in a nuclear test. Ending the reign of the Demon Core forever?